Is your Nintendo Switch 2 stuck on black screen, or when you turn it on, it goes black after showing the logo? In a lot of cases, this may be a hardware issue. But don't lose hope yet, cause I'll show you some easy steps that can revive your Switch 2 with a black screen. So the first thing that we're gonna try doing is force restart our Switch 2. For this, we'll need to hold down the power button for about 20 seconds. Just count till 20, and after that, let go. Then I want you to wait for a few minutes. Now turn your Switch back on by pressing the power button once, but if it doesn't turn on, then you should check whether it has enough battery. So grab the original charger and charging cable, then plug it into your Switch 2. And after plugging it in, you should see a charging indicator, and after that your Switch 2 should turn on. And in case it's low on battery, let it charge, after which your Switch 2 will turn on. But in case you don't see anything, and the Switch stays in black screen, then I want you to check whether you can hear any sound. So first make sure to turn up the volume of your Switch all the way up. Then we'll pretend to unlock our Switch by pressing the home button 4 times, and you should already hear the music. You can also try moving around and try to listen to the clicks. If you hear this sound, then it means your Switch 2's backlight is damaged and you'll need to get it repaired. But if you don't hear any audio either and it's full black, then let's move to the next step. In some cases, this may also caused by a faulty SD card or game card. So what you need to do is hold down the power button once again for 20 seconds. Then take out the SD card or game card. And after that, try turning your Switch back on. But if your Switch still turns off after showing the logo, then the last thing that you can try is putting your Switch 2 in recovery mode. For this, we'll need to turn off our Switch once again by holding down the power button. And after that, you'll need to hold down the volume up and down button together, and while holding them, press on the power button once. Now after seeing the Switch 2 logo, you can let go, and you should see the recovery options. If you can't see this, then from here first try to restore settings while keeping your user data. And in case that didn't help either, then you can come back here and try restoring factory settings and erasing all the data. Hopefully this will fix your Switch 2 and bring it back to life, but if it doesn't, then it's probably a hardware issue like a faulty eMMC board, so you should just send it in for repairs, or if you have warranty, replace your unit. And these are all the steps that you can try yourself. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.